Hello SDA members and welcome to the community. I just wanted to give some advice based on a question that one of the members had asked is how can I give any feedback to other artists in their work? What's the right way to do that if you look at someone's artwork they've posted and you wish to give a comment? Really the best thing to do is just think about being encouraging. That's it. Just praise and encouragement. You're just going to mention, hey, these are looking great. I would suggest I see this that you might point out. You might see something specific. I feel maybe you could make the leg a little stronger. I feel maybe you could clear up this character's face. So you're not saying anything that's mean. You're not saying anything that's wrong. It's just simply as if you were talking to your friend and trying to give them advice. It's as simple as that, all right? And have fun, participate, share your artwork, and be sure to give feedback besides just like. All right, have a good day.